So when you come to COCHON555, you're going to get 1,500 pounds of heritage breed pig, cooked by 5 of the city's top chefs who are known for cooking whole pigs. You walk in, you get a welcome experience at the Welcome Punch Bar, hosted with Buffalo Trace. Then you're going to walk into a starter bar. Everything you can imagine on a charcuterie board. Sausages, cured meats, salumi, cheeses, pâtés. Tartare Bar is an experience where we pick a chef in every city and they come in and they get about 10 to 15 pounds of really premium beef paired with beautiful wines, beautiful aged rums floating around on a mobile cart. We do a swine and sweets pop-up. Sometimes we do a thing called Sprinkle Bay. Sometimes we do an innovative take on new desserts. Our Savory Spotlight showcases the authentic preparations of tacos de trompo, which is basically shepherd-style tacos cooked on an upright vertical rotisserie spit. As a guest of VIP, you're gonna get an early hour entry. That includes exclusive tastings from the Somm Smackdown competition that we have between 5 sommeliers who all pair up beautiful wines with the competing chefs. You also get to experience Punch Kings, where 5 of the city's best barkeeps go toe-to-toe with a whole bottle of bourbon in a punch competition. We need your vote for the best bite of the day.